Hello everyone and welcome back to Unseen Britain. We're in Surrey today and we're about to explore Coulsdon Air Raid shelter. Long story short, the shelter was finished by October 1941 with 740 people capacity. Well, originally it was planned to be 1500, but the length of tunnels was reduced once softer chalk was encountered. After the war, the shelter was purchased by a company that produced telescopes. They abandoned premises in early 70s, and after that it was used as a garage and a dump for used VW parts. And here we are, 50 years later in 2024. I guess let's not wait any longer. Come join me and let's get inside. Here's the entrance, guys. Well, let's pull out the torches, and in the meantime, hit that subscribe button if you can. Thank you very much. The entrance is a bit narrow, but I can see I can stand there, so this is the narrowest point, I assume. Okay, we made it. We're inside through this narrow hole over there. Oh wow, pile of rubbish as usual at the entrance. Let's see if it gets any better when we walk further down. Is it collapsing? Wow, see that belly? It's about to break. It's got some scaffold poles since God knows when, but it doesn't look much promising to me. This was some sort of exit or entrance, or God knows, but look at that belly. Crikey. Okay, look at this metal door. And it's got modern lock. Well, that means it was locked recently from visitors. But never mind, it's open for me, or at least open today. Fair amount of graffiti, I have to say. Damn, these vandals get everywhere. Oh, that's a long tunnel. See the fog? So what do we have here? It's a rather long tunnel. You see this long plank? That's where the lightning was hanging back in the day, and even modern days. What's inside this room? It looks like we got a massive gearbox from something really big, and a suspension leg as well. Something bigger than a standard car, obviously. Wow, we got all kinds of stuff over here. Okay, and what do we have here? Wow, look at the size of this thing. This could be a generator, potentially. I might be wrong, but right. We got all kinds of stuff here. Wheelbarrow. Wow. I'm just wondering what these sections for. Was this a toilet? Was this a men's toilet maybe? Well, they had to fit 740 people down here, so. Wow, look at that. It's a little room. It's never been made to this. No bricks, nothing, but what's its purpose? Storage maybe? We can see the chisel marks here and the chalk. I can tell they use proper chisels down here. Wow, this place is filled with stuff. Another little chalk room. Bunch of scrap metal. Wow, look at this. Is it a press or well, that looks like a fridge, doesn't it? Interesting, huh? It is a fridge, isn't it? 100%. But what's its original purpose? Is it the olden days air conditioner? Because it's got this blower, it's got this event pipe, shaft, whatever you call it. It's got a fridge. Well, if you know, let me know in a comment. And this tunnel keeps going. Water pipe and that kind of thing. I'll let you decide. Wow. It just keeps going. Houses. Okay, what else we got here? Some sort of cupboard, letterbox, or is it to store the documents? And this was probably the main entrance, one of the main entrances over here, which is obviously bricked up. Okay, let's go back for now and see where else can we go. I really need to watch my step over here. It's way too many things on the floor. There's electric switches all over the place. Look, there's alarm. Okay. Rather long tunnels, right? Let's keep going. See this wall? It was some kind of a wall. This was probably a wall between apartments, because we had some business running over here. And of course, the ventilation is very important in these kind of underground structures. Crikey, what's this thing? The rear axle of some kind of agricultural machinery, maybe? And again, if you know, let me know in a comment, what's this kind of thing? Looks rather cool, doesn't it? Well, at least graffiti is disappearing. You know what I miss? I can't see any of my friends. I mean, spiders. No foxes, no bats. I think I'm lost here. Let's try to get inside. Where's it gonna take us? A dead end. A ventilation hole. That's how deep we are under the ground. Wow, this. Okay, where do we go next? I was supposed to print a plan of this place, because I have no idea where I am now. Well, we came from there, so we should go that way. Is this a plastic cable pipe where they put cable inside? Yeah, and we got modern socket over here. Wow. It probably had more use than a telescope factory and a garage, because this was shut in 1970s. It was sealed by the council. Water is dripping on my head, literally. And here's another dead end. but it's not sealed. This is where they decided to stop and not to go any further, because this appeared to be a very soft chalk. Wow, someone drew a face on it. And here we have a hole in the wall. Bunch of graffiti over there. Pile of rubbish. Oh, what can you expect? And it was a fire. The tunnels keep going that way. But what I want to do, I want to get through this hole and see what's inside. Look, there's a hole, and it's not the hole that we came inside. Something different. Well, that was one of the entrances, obviously. It was backfilled, and someone digged their way through, and it got inside, and that explains why we got that round hole in the wall on the other end. What is this thing? It's got some switches. Those are not moving. The amperage. It says evaporation, discharge. Can't move any of these. And that one looks exactly the same. More switches are missing, but it's exactly the same, isn't it? Interesting, huh? Chemicals, 25 litres. Flammable liquid. Let's carry on, guys. Wow. And that's the horizontal support. But that doesn't make any sense to me. Why there is a horizontal support? Vertical one, I understand, but this one, I have no idea. Okay, so it seems like we've been on every side of the deep shelter, looked at every possible corner, and this is the time to get back to the surface. And if any of you knows anything about this one, I really want to know. You can let me know in a comment, send me a message on Instagram, Unseen Britain. I would really appreciate it, because I really want to know, what is it? So this is it, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.